Yes, you didn't know what you were getting yourselves into. All right, so we are here and let's learn a little hula. Let's put our hands on the hips, little bend in the knees, big smile. The better is the smile, the more you show up on those cameras. All right, if I said we just learned some hula, you quickly know the product owners in the room because my definition of done isn't probably on par with what they expected of hula, right? When we're working on something, we're busy, but we're not getting it done. Done is the key to productivity. We have to get something done. Done is delivered. Done is value in my hands. Look, the room is still swaying. I love it. See? Now we're moving. There we go. All right. Let's start getting those little pieces done and delivered, because those are the bites of value. And when you can take those little bites, that's when we can start delivering value.